Happy holidays, and today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Angry Dad Faces Felony Charges Over Parking Spot at Elementary School.
I'll break the window. Get out of the car.
You break my window, I will break your window.
Again, you're threatening an officer. Get out. Get out of the car.
I'm getting out!
No. Hands off me!
On Wednesday, February 7th, 2024, a Vilas County's school resource officer at Eagle River Elementary School in Wisconsin arrived in the parking lot and noticed another vehicle parked in her assigned space. A woman and a child exited the vehicle and headed toward the school, while the male driver, later identified as William, remained inside. When the officer politely asked him to move his truck, William immediately became agitated, allegedly shouting that he didn't have time for this.
What you running my plate for?
You're parked in my spot and you're giving me an attitude.
Your spot is right here.
This is not a parking spot. Do you see a line?
I'm not the only one that parks
Stop, you're yelling.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do. Knock it off. What is your deal?
What is your deal?
I just told you.
I'm sick of you motherfuckers.
What did I do to you?
I'm just tired of all you idiots.
What's the deal? I need to know who I'm talking to.
None of your business.
Roll the window down.
No, I'm not.
Roll the window down. Go ahead. Nope, you're not. Roll the window down. Roll the window down!
These are the people that are raising children. Scary, man.
Get away from my truck!
I need another unit. Roll the window down!
What for?
This is a traffic stop. Stop!
No, it's not!
Roll the window down!
I'm about to punch you right dead in your...
Get out. I need another unit. Get out! I'm at the elementary school. Get out of the car.
No, I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
I didn't do nothing.
You are under arrest right now.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
We'll see when my wife comes out.
What does that have to do with anything?
I'm not under arrest.
You just threatened me.
No, I did not.
Yeah, I got it on camera. Get out of the car! Get 10-4. He just threatened to punch me in the face. He's under arrest once he gets out of the car. William, you're under arrest. Get out of the car.
You want to know what's even scarier than him raising children? Well, that's pretty bad. But the way that he talks to women, he's got a wife. Now that's crazy.
Are you That's resisting. Get out of the car. Yes, it is. That's a lawful order. Get out of the car.
My wife's coming.
I'll break the window. Get out of the car.
You break my window, I will break your window.
Again, you're threatening an officer.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
You're threatening me and breaking my window.
Step out of the car.
You're an idiot.
Step out of the car.
No.
After some back and forth, William appeared as though he was preparing to move the truck, while the officer waited patiently and gave him more than enough time to do so. But when he still did not move, the officer began documenting his license plate information. This prompted William to become even more agitated, leading him to direct profanity toward the officer.
If this is not a parking spot, take this motherfucking concrete pole down.
All you had to do was move the car. You escalated the situation.
You did. By getting out and talking.
I told you had to move the car. You told me
I was getting ready to. I'm sick, okay? I had needed to blow
you
my...
were not moving the car.
There's my wife. We'll be...
Doesn't matter. You're not leaving.
Yes, I will.
No, you are not leaving. Get out of the car. You are under arrest.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
I didn't do nothing.
Get out of the car. I'm giving you one more chance. Get out of the car.
My wife's right there.
I don't care. You are under arrest.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are. For
No,
threatening
I'm
an
not.
officer. Yes, you are.
Let's go, babe.
William, you got one more chance. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window and pull you out. That is your option. Step out of the vehicle.
I can't drive. I don't have my license.
He's under arrest. Get out of the car.
What are you doing?
He threatened me. So he told me he was going to punch me in the face.
Get out of the vehicle.
She kept telling me she's gonna break our windows.
She's going to. Get out of the vehicle. Now.
I can't drive home.
Get out.
Ooh,
Get
that's
out.
crazy.
I did now.
No. Hands off me.
Hands behind your back. Now.
Well, get you.
Get your hands behind your back.
You're going to get tased. Get out.
You tase me, you'll kill me. You stupid. Can I see? Can I grab my hat?
Trash.
39 miles, males 95.
You can leave
Straight
my phone
trash.
and It's in the truck.
25 hours, 1023. 10
You don't need this for anything?
No. For
I
what?
wasn't asking you.
Take my keys out?
It's only been in the truck.
This is good.
So you're gonna leave my wife here all by herself?
We're going to figure it out.
What did he?
She can't drive. She needs to get home.
Who is this?
All I asked was him to move the truck. It's in my spot. I rolled down the window. It wasn't anything. He told me, I don't have time for you. So I got out and ran his plate because he was being nasty right away. And then he gets out and he just starts screaming at me. And then he gets back in his car and he says, I'm going to punch you in the face.
Oh, they take him instead. Threatening you? Huh? They take him instead.
Yeah.
I can deal with him.
Okay.
So when does he?
So he's got to get booked into jail. It didn't have to go this way. I don't know why he got so nasty with me.
He's been having a rough day because he got in a fight in Rhinelander,
Okay.
and he has a.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's no excuse to be acting like.
Wow, she sounds, man, this guy is probably a nightmare to be with. I ain't gonna lie. Just by the sound of her voice and stuff like that, I mean, it sounds like she's actually probably a sweet lady, and this guy is a freaking loose cannon or whatever, so he probably takes advantage of her. This guy's got a serious issue, boy. You know what I'm saying? Say, hey, sometimes people be like this. You know, sometimes I go on my little rants, right? And people will be like, oh, you're, throw my little music on in the background. But anyway, people will be like, oh, you're misogynistic. Like what? Just because I go, like the other day, I went on a little rant about the guy who pretty much got all his stuff taken away or whatever. And, you know, and he got 10 years or whatever in jail or whatever. But, you know, because of a divorce and all that stuff or whatever. So he went off the deep end. And I was just like telling guys like, you know, don't get married, yada, yada, blah, blah, blah. Going on my little guy rant, you know. But people, you know, be calling me misogynistic and stuff like that means you hate women. I don't hate women. Most of my subscribers are women. I love women. Now, let's not get it confused. I am going to speak my mind though. But I love women though. You know what I'm saying? You got to see past it and get to the, you know, see the point that I'm actually trying to make here or whatever. But anyway, when I go on those rants. So anyway, this lady right here, man, she actually sounds pretty decent. Very soft-spoken, you know. Oof. Her husband, though, he's a loose cannon. Straight trash, man. Trash. Trash. And he has responsibility of raising a kid. and you gonna raise him up probably to be like you. That's crazy. This guy is, man. Oh no. See, I give it both ways now. I get it. See, Shy gonna give it both ways. The other people you watch, I don't know. But over here, I'm gonna give it both ways now. But yeah, man, it's just crazy.
Just on school grounds and everything.
Yeah.
If you want to wait in the truck, you're more than welcome to. I know he says it's going to be a minute, but
How long do I, like, how long is it going to be booked, I guess, you would say?
well, he's probably going to have to see a judge. So, depending on when I get that report done, he can see one today, maybe tomorrow. But he can make a phone call there too. So,
Where?
at the jail.
Oh,
So he can call you. Does he have your number?
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Would you mind calling over to the jail with whatever charges you'd like?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do
Yeah.
the rest of the yellow sheet.
Okay. Thanks.
I want an ID.
William was ultimately charged with disorderly conduct, threats to a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest. Later, he was found guilty in court of battery, or making threats toward a law enforcement officer, a Class H felony. The court ordered a $500 cash bond with conditions, including no presence on the 1700 block of Pleasure Island Road in Eagle River, and a requirement to notify the court of any address change. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a
That's good. That's good. I like that. I like that. He's a loose cannon, man. He's a loose cannon. Now at the one charge that I do like that they worked in there was disorderly conduct. I like that charge. That was a good charge because honestly, as I'm sitting here thinking about it, as the video was going along, I'm like, this kind of reminds me of like those parking spots that be at Walmart. That'd be like for law enforcement or whatever. There's really no law on that or nothing. That is really like a courtesy. So the fact that he was parked in the school safety spot or something like, I mean, now is it messed up? Yeah, but is there really something preventing that? Probably not. So I was sitting there wondering, well, what charge are they gonna come up with for the initial like reasoning and stuff like that? Like, so I like, all right, disorderly conduct. Yeah, all right, cool. Anyway, this guy is a loose cannon. Hopefully she gets far, far away from him. Okay. Listen, hey, if you gotta be a single mom, you gotta be a single mom. It is what it is, man. But this guy here, trash. This guy, trash. Got a bad attitude, man. Hopefully she is far away from him before he turns on her like how he turned on the officers. Oof. Wait. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm glad that female officer stood her ground when she was by herself. Shows a lot of bravery, you know, before backup even came. She stood her ground, and I commend that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.